In 1996, I was fortunate to spend a month in Yan'an, China studying Erycema Cobra Lilies, followed in the fall of 1997 with a similar trip to Korea. In the interim time, our friend Barry Yinger has helped us set up a connection with a Japanese nursery that produces a variety of Erycema from seed. Thanks to a harmonic Erycema convergence, we are now able to supply one of the finest collections of propagated Erycema in the country. Erycema flowers consist of many parts. The two most prominent are the spathe and spadix. The spathe is the hood of the pitcher, while the spadix is the stalk inside the flower that holds the sex organs. In some species the spathe develops into a long thread-like tail, while in other species, it is the spadix that copies this habit. If you are the voyeuristic type, then you will love Erycemas. Erycema plants are one of the more unique members of the plant kingdom. Some plants are male, some are female, some are both, and some change back and forth. As a general rule, Erycemas are male when young, then when they build up enough energy to have babies, they switch and become female. The year after giving birth, they will often revert back to being male. There are only a few Erycema species that always have both sexes on the same plant. Propagation of Erycema is almost entirely from seed. To get seed of most species, you will need both the male and female plant. Obviously, the more plants of a particular species, the more chances for setting seed. After the seed are harvested, they should be first cleaned. The easiest way to clean Erycema seed is to put the ripe seed into a Ziploc bag and squish the pulp from the seed. After adequate squishing has been complete, pour the mess into a cup of water. Decant the pulp several times, and you will quickly have a cup of clean seed. Erycema seed can be planted in a pot of potting soil indoors immediately after cleaning. The seed should be covered lightly with potting soil. Erycema seed will usually sprout within 4 to 6 weeks and will proceed to grow for up to 2 to 4 months. At this time, they will appear to slowly turn yellow and die. Fear not, for they are only going dormant. When dormant, Erycemas in containers must not be kept wet. This is certain death for most species. I keep my plants in containers and water only when the soil gets bone dry, about twice a month. These Erycemas may be kept this way until winter, when after a cold period, they will again resprout. Some of the warmer growing species will actually resprout during the summer and put on an extra growth cycle. To squeeze out an extra season, the dormant plants can be refrigerated for 3 months during the spring and summer. This can be accomplished in the container or by placing the tubers in a Ziploc bag of slightly moist peat. After this time, they will resprout and can often be forced into 2 seasons of growth during a calendar year. From seed, expected to take 2 to 4 years to have a flowering size plant, depending on species. The size of the seed determines the amount of food reserves, and consequently how large the plants will grow during the first season. While tissue culture has been attempted on Erycema, their complex dormancy patterns and difficulty of sterilization has heretofore rendered such impossible. Some of the Erycema species actually multiply by offsets.